In the southern tip of Argentina, the province of Chubut has transformed into a red zone today. The government has officially declared a red alert as extreme winds are forecast to reach 150 kilometers per hour. This is not just severe weather, this is one of the most violent windstorms to hit the region in recent years. Activities immediately came to a halt. Schools were closed in Comodoro Rivadavia, Rada Tilly, and Caleta Olivia. Government offices, banks, and public services shut their doors early. Even national and provincial routes were sealed off to prevent accidents caused by near-zero visibility. In Comodoro, the situation turned dangerous. A large wall at MOLKASUR collapsed under the force of the wind. At the Chango Más supermarket, the roof was torn off and blown away, while employees remained trapped inside, waiting for the storm to calm so they could exit safely. In Caleta Olivia, the destruction was even greater. 3 vessels from the Yellow Fleet sank in the port. Around 150 residents were evacuated to a gymnasium, and dozens of trees and light poles fell across the streets. A widespread power outage lasted almost 12 hours, plunging parts of the city into prolonged darkness. Dolavon, Trelew, and other towns were also battered by the storm. In Trelew, part of a home's roof became tangled in power lines, creating a dangerous situation. Technical crews worked relentlessly, climbing utility poles amid dangerous wind gusts, fighting against nature to restore essential services. Public transportation came to a standstill, except for Expreso Rada Tilly, which operated with significantly reduced frequency. Hospitals and national institutions functioned with minimal staff. One message continues to echo: stay indoors, stay alert, and call 103 in case of emergency. The storm has not yet shown signs of weakening. Chubut remains in the grip of the most brutal winds of the year.